Hey developers, I'm Evan Vishy. I'm the community manager at Tatum, and I just wanted to give you a little update about what's been going on over here and the new stuff you can do with our platform. So we've got a couple of cool new NFT features that you're definitely going to want to check out. The first one is our instant peer-to-peer NFT Marketplaces feature. This is one of two features that allows you to create NFT listings to sell NFTs or for your users to sell NFTs peer-to-peer on your marketplace. So you can generate a marketplace. Your users can create listings. They buy them from each other. Everything happens at the blockchain level. The NFT is automatically transferred to the buyer. The funds are automatically transferred to the seller, and a marketplace share is automatically transferred to you as the marketplace owner. The next one is instant peer-to-peer NFT auctions. Same principle. Everything at the blockchain level, users can create auctions, they can bid for NFTs, they can settle the auctions. We've also got a video if you head over to our YouTube channel to check this out. All of the links, by the way, will be down in the description of the video. But yeah, this is an instant backend for auction functionality in your marketplace. We've got all the API calls here, and we've got full guides on docs.tatum.io. Next, this is a big one. We have just partnered with NFT storage. So what this means for you as a developer is you can now upload your NFT metadata to IPFS for free. That's really all there is to it. We also have native integration with IPFS in Tatum. So you can do this really easily with a couple of simple API endpoints. Those endpoints are in the article that is linked to below. We also made a tutorial in our docs.tatum.io section with a bit more detail about how to do this. Next, still in the NFT realm, we did a guide on how to build NFT marketplaces, and this is all about the front end and user journey. So we've created a guide from this, breaking down all the components that you will want to consider when you're building a NFT marketplace. So first, you consider custodial versus non-custodial, different functionalities, the user journey, what your users should see and do or be able to do within your marketplace. Next up, we have launched Cardano support in Tatum. So that is live now. You can build apps on Cardano. Everything is working. So just another blockchain to add to our roster. And a lot of people have been requesting this one. So there you have it. Cardano is ready to go and available with a free plan in Tatum. And last but not least, we had a great chat with Peter Abila from Harmony. And he had a lot of cool stuff to say about cross-chain collaboration, the future of blockchain, what Harmony's up to. He talked a lot about their hackathon, which we are partners of, and it's going on right now. So you're going to want to check out this interview. Peter's a really interesting guy and has a lot of cool opinions about blockchain. A lot of good insights there. So anyways, that's all for today. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time with another Tatum update. Happy coding.